This is a Heathkit EA-2, which I have restored electrically. It runs two SOVTEK EL84s, and it runs them pretty hot. And I've also converted it to 220 volts. This amplifier does 14 clean watts of output. And it goes proper deep on the bass. No problems going down to 30 Hz. No distortion. And this thing gets loud as hell on these speakers. So I've got all the speakers hooked up except those double 10s because they're just way too inefficient. They're garbage. But I'm running all four of the subwoofers and the tweeters off of this amp, and it performs good. Let's get to a more energetic part of this song here. Yeah, it's extremely impressive. You almost have to be here in order to experience this. This thing goes proper deep. This is my most impressive tube amplifier I own. But yeah, I've done a full recap on it and resistor changes, and I've removed the old 120 volt power transformer and put a 221 because this is no longer in the US. The only capacitor that's original is the filter capacitor because there's nothing wrong with it.